the extinction and potential resurrection of dire wolves. The dire wolf, long thought to be the stuff of legend and fantasy, was a real predator that once roamed the plains and forests of the Americas. Known scientifically as Canis dirus, meaning fearsome dog, these ancient beasts were among the apex predators of the Pleistocene epoch. Though they disappeared over 10,000 years ago, recent discoveries and advancements in genetics have reignited interest in the species, not just to understand them better, but to explore the possibility of bringing them back. Dire wolves were impressive animals. Weighing as much as 150 pounds, they were larger and more muscular than today's grey wolves. Their massive skulls and powerful jaws were designed to crush bone, suggesting they were well suited for taking down large prey like bison, horses, and even mammoths. These predators thrived in the same ecosystems as saber-toothed cats and giant ground sloths, carving out a niche as dominant pack hunters. Their extinction around 10,000 years ago marked the end of an era. The Ice Age was drawing to a close, and with it came dramatic climate changes that reshaped the environment. Large prey animals began to disappear, likely due to a combination of warming temperatures and increased human hunting. With their primary food sources gone, the dire wolves soon followed. For a long time, scientists assumed they were simply large cousins of the grey wolf, but recent genetic studies have overturned that belief. One of the most surprising discoveries came in 2021, when researchers sequenced dire wolf DNA from ancient fossils. The results were shocking. Despite their appearance, dire wolves were not closely related to modern wolves or dogs. In fact, they had diverged from other canines over 5 million years ago. This separation meant that, unlike wolves and coyotes, dire wolves could not interbreed with modern canids. They were their own unique lineage, a truly lost branch of the canine family tree. Much of what we know about dire wolves comes from the La Brea tar pits in California, where thousands of fossils have been found. These tar pits acted as natural traps for Ice Age animals, preserving their remains in astonishing detail. Thanks to these fossils, scientists have been able to study dire wolf anatomy, pack behavior, and even signs of injury and healing, suggesting complex social dynamics within packs. As science advances, the line between extinction and existence grows blurrier. With gene editing technologies like CRISPR, the idea of resurrecting extinct species, or de-extinction, is gaining momentum. Though we don't have a complete genome for the dire wolf, there are conversations about creating a hybrid species using grey wolf DNA and the fragments of dire wolf DNA available. Such a creature wouldn't be an exact replica, but rather a neo-dire wolf, a genetically engineered proxy that captures some of the original's traits. The resurrection of the dire wolf, however, raises difficult ethical and ecological questions. Should we bring back a species that nature has let go? Could they survive in modern ecosystems? What would they eat, and how would they interact with current wildlife? These are the kinds of questions scientists and ethicists are grappling with as de-extinction becomes more than just science fiction. The dire wolf story is one of power, mystery, and resilience, from its ancient reign to its extinction to the modern quest to bring it back. Whether or not we ever see dire wolves roam the earth again, their legacy continues to challenge our understanding of nature, evolution, and humanity's role in shaping the world around us. Would you like it formatted for a school paper, or more citations added to back up the science?
Hit that subscribe button and smash that like for more videos.